Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to continue class 10 science chemical reactions and equations. This is unit test paper number 7. So in the previous video we have answered for question unit test paper number 6. Now let us move for unit test paper number 7. The first question is corrosion of iron can be prevented by heating, melting, boiling, galvanizing. So galvanizing, that is coating of zinc on iron. So the right option for the first question is option D, that is corrosion. So corrosion is the right answer for this first question. So option D, galvanizing or galvanization. Then the second question is decomposition of water takes place by heating, sunlight, melting and by electricity. So your water will get decomposed by passing electricity. So the right option for second question is option D, by electricity. That is called electrolytic decomposition, or it is called as by electricity. By electrolytic decomposition, that is by electricity. So electrolysis of water, we will say that as electrolysis of water. So this is the answer for the first and second question. Now let us move for the second main. In the second main they have given name the type of reaction in which energy is absorbed. So the type of reaction in which the energy is absorbed is called endothermic reaction. So endothermic reaction is a reaction in which energy is absorbed. Next, which two gases are evolved when ferrous sulfate is heated? So when ferrous sulfate is heated, so 2FeSO4 give rise to Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. Then which are the two gases? That is sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So these are the two gases that are released when ferrous sulfate is heated. Now let us move for the third main, that is question number 5. So the question number 5 is classify the following reactions as exothermic or endothermic. So electrolysis of water. So during electrolysis of water, energy is absorbed. That is electrical energy is absorbed. Since energy is absorbed, electrolysis of water, the first question is endothermic reaction. So endothermic reaction. Then in the second question they have given burning of natural gas. So when natural gas is burnt, so it releases an heat energy. Since energy is released, it is called exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. Now let us move for question number 6. In the question number 6 they have given name the reducing agent in the following reaction. 3MnO2 plus 4Al give rise to 3Mn plus Al2O3. Here aluminium is displaced Mn. Aluminium is displaced manganese. Therefore state which is more reactive. Aluminium is more reactive. Mn or Al ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ aluminium is more reactive. Why ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ? Because aluminium will displaces manganese. So let us answer. Name the reducing agent in the following ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So reducing agent is aluminium. So aluminium is a reducing agent. Aluminium is a reducing agent. Then state which is more reactive, aluminium or manganese. Al is more reactive. Aluminium is more reactive. Why ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ? Because aluminium displaces, because always more reactive element displaces manganese. Therefore manganese is a less reactive element and aluminium is a more reactive element. Therefore, aluminium displaces manganese. Now let us move for 7th question. Write any two example for redox reaction. So let us write any two examples for redox reaction. So the example for redox reaction is CuO plus H2 give rise to Cu plus H2O. Then another example, PbO plus C give rise to Pb plus Co. So these are the two examples for redox reaction. Now let us move for the 8th question. So the 8th question is, a brown substance X on heating in air forms a substance Y. When hydrogen gas is passed through Y, it again changes back into X. So, sub questions is a more sub question. So, name the substance X and Y. Name the type of chemical reaction occurred during both the changes. Write the chemical reaction of these reactions. So, let us answer this question. So, what is X and Y? ಅವನು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಎ ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಪರ್. ಆನ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಏರ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವೈ. ವೆನ್ ಕಾಪರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಟೆಡ್ in air, so it forms a black compound called copper oxide. So here copper is X and Y is copper oxide. So X is copper and Y is copper oxide. Copper oxide. So then one name the type of chemical reactions occur during both the reaction. So ಎರಡು reaction ಇದೆ. 2Cu plus O2 give rise to 2CuO. So this is called as 2Cu plus O2 give rise to 2CuO. ಇದನ್ನ we call it as oxidation reaction. ಇದು oxidation reaction. Then another, when through Y, this is Y, when through Y, when hydrogen is passed, so CuO plus H2 give rise to Cu plus H2O. So this is redox reaction. Because copper oxide is reduced to copper and hydrogen is oxidized to water. Therefore, it is redox reaction. One is oxidation, X is copper, Y is copper oxide. So one is oxidation, another one is redox reaction. So like this we have to answer question number 8. So now let us move for question number 9. A small amount of quicklime is added to water in a beaker. Name and define the type of reaction that has taken place. Write the balanced equation for the reaction and the chemical name of the product formed anta kelidane. So eega let us answer the 9th question. So is name when quicklime is added to water. Quicklime is calcium oxide. When it is added to water, it forms calcium hydroxide. CaOH taken twice. Name and define the type of reaction. So here it is exothermic reaction. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. It is exothermic reaction. What is exothermic reaction? A reaction in which energy is released. A reaction in which energy is released. Okay, next, write the balanced equation. I have written the balanced equation. Next, what they asked, and chemical name of the product form. The product is called as, what is the name of the product? So here the name of the product is called calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, or it is also called as slaked lime. Calcium hydroxide or slaked lime. So this is for 9th question. Now let us move for the 10th one. So the last question of this paper. Identify the type of chemical reaction in the following equation. So CH4 plus 2O2 give rise to CO2 plus H2O. So here, so let us write what type of reaction is taking place here. So 10th one, the first one is, it is called oxidation reaction, because methane is gaining oxygen, therefore it is called oxidation reaction. Second one, PbNO3 taken twice plus 2Ki give rise to PbI2 plus 2KNO3. Here there is an exchange of ions between the reactants to form a new compound. Therefore, this reaction is called double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Then coming to the third one, so CaO plus H2O give rise to CaOH taken twice. Here, so calcium hydroxide when added to water, it forms calcium hydroxide. Along with the calcium hydroxide, so heat energy is released, therefore it is exothermic reaction. Then the D, CuSO4 plus Zn give rise to ZnSO4 plus Cu. Here zinc displaces copper. So zinc copper na displace madide. Therefore, the fourth, the D is displacement reaction. So like this we have to identify what type of reaction they are. So by this we have answered all the questions related to, that is uh, unit test paper number 7. In the next video we are going to answer for unit test paper number 8. Till then, thank you very much. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So till then, thank you very much.